morning. Hingalay ako. Takbo ako.
Yeah, the ECS. Oh, Miss Laika,
yes.
you are looking for the cafeteria,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So, it is very near. From here at the new admin building, you may walk straight ahead, but be careful because there are stairs, so you will walk down the stairs. And along the way, along that stairs, you will see beside that the volleyball field, volleyball court, I rather. And after that, you will go straight and you do not have to worry because there is a tarpaulin there saying and cafeteria. So, let me go inside.
Really? Right, so tell you.